Morning guys, we are headed to do some whale shark diving. I have also lost my drone, so hopefully I can try to get that back in the next day or two. Apparently we left it at that waterfall. So now we're headed down to the whale shark diving. Everybody's driving their own mopeds. There's Patty P. And Sammy.
We had sort of a rough morning, kind of. We just woke up and we realized that Matt had left the drone behind at the waterfalls that we were at yesterday. And so we searched the whole house this morning and we texted our driver who took us, and it's not in the car. And I remember it wasn't in the car, we searched the car. So our only theory is that we accidentally left it at the restaurant while we were having breakfast. Matt put it on the floor under the table so it's out of the way, and we must have just missed it, which is super embarrassing and unfortunate, but I guess it happens. We are in contact with the driver, seeing if we can maybe try and get it back. It just sucks because obviously it's lost footage and we won't have a drone in Nepal. So I'll let you know the update, but anyways, it's a beautiful morning. We're having breakfast at La Teresa, which is owned by our Airbnb host, and right across the way is where we pay and go start our whale shark diving adventure.
Alright guys, we watched an orientation and then now we're about to head to the whale sharks. I thought it was going to be like a big deep sea type thing, but there they are right there. Oh my god, you sure you don't want your phone in there? Well, we just got out of the water after doing whale shark diving with Sam as well. And the current is extremely strong, to be honest. It's kind of like a fight to stay afloat the whole time, but it was sick.
Yeah, you literally only go out a few hundred feet from shore. So they literally just row you out there and then you jump off the boat and all the whale sharks are just right there. They are chumming the water, so they're eating, and that's why they're like all concentrated in one area. But it is insane. You're just surrounded by these massive animals that are harmless, but it's still freaky. And at one point I was swimming by myself, I lost the voice, and I thought a boat ran into me and I was like, get off, and then I realized there was a shark and you're not meant to touch them. and so I swam away.
Yeah, it was pretty insane though. They're just so massive.
Yeah. But the experience, it was 500 pesos each. Here's the conversion. And the only like downfall, I guess, is that I felt like it was quite short. We literally were only in the water for probably like 20 minutes.
Maybe 30 probably, yeah. But we're used to like doing snorkeling trips in like Bali and Thailand that are like hours long.
Full day.
Full day, so.
But I mean, it really wasn't that expensive and it was the coolest experience. But we're glad we're staying in Oslob and we only had to take the scooters down here for 30 minutes versus like doing a whole day trip from Cebu City. That would have been a lot in one day.
What up, Sammy? What's up?
We recommend. It was so fun.
And now we're gonna head down to a place called the Sumilion sandbar.
Island.
Okay. This water's so clear, dude. Not spring water. Yeah, right? Guys, I see some dolphins. We just stopped off for some lunch at the place that we took a boat from. Pretty sick view. And then we're gonna go to a waterfall. Mango smoothie, watermelon smoothies. And we all got some chicken sandwiches. We are no longer hangry. And also look at this weird ketchup, banana ketchup.
We have a good news, an update to our chaos from this morning. Our driver that we hired to take us here yesterday, we were in contact with him and he actually went back to the waterfall that we were at yesterday, and lo and behold, he found the drone that we had left under the table while we were eating breakfast. And look at that. Can you see it? He said, "Give thanks to the staff, they took care of it." Isn't that such a wholesome experience? We were just talking about how at home it would be a goner, but the people here are so kind and got our drone back. So now we can fly in El Nido because that's our next location in the Philippines. So you'll see some more good drone content of the Philippines coming soon.
I know Patricia just said this, but like just think, can you imagine if you had a drone that has like no security features to stop people from stealing it like iPhones do, and you just like left it on a table in like Denny's or something? Like it would, people would steal that in a second and just sell it.
So
I just can't believe it right now.
We're feeling really happy that our stupid mistake has a happy outcome because it was pretty stupid, but all is well. And now we're going to a waterfall and we're going to continue enjoying our beautiful day, and then we'll get the drone tomorrow when we head back to Cebu City to fly out.
We are at Tumalog Falls, and the view of the ocean is absolutely sick from up on top of this mountain. And we just drove a cool mountain road on our mopeds. And Sam has a real motorcycle actually. But me and Patricia have mopeds. Okay. Dude, that waterfall looks crazy. Oh, okay. I wonder if you can slide down it. Look at that, with the birds flying. All right guys, so we're at Tumalog waterfalls. I think I'm saying that right.
Roast us in the comments.
Yeah, anyway, this is the coolest waterfall that we have ever been to.
Yeah.
It's like this sick blue lagoon. I don't really know what causes the color, but it's like bright turquoise. And then there's like these epic birds flying around, and the waterfall is huge. And it probably it's like hundreds of feet wide, like as well as probably a few hundred feet tall. We just look so tiny, and this is so awesome. Yeah, this might be the best waterfall we've been to in Southeast Asia.
And we're really just so happy because today is perfect weather.
Amazing weather.
And there's not a cloud in the sky. It's so sunny. So the water's so turquoise, and then there's algae on the rocks. It's so green.
Pretty epic. So take a look. Yeah, dude, that looks sick.
So awesome. This is so cool. Better chill stuff.
Dude. Okay. Does it hurt?
Go out maybe like, oh, is that like 2-3 meters?
3 meters? Oh, how many feet do you think 3 meters is?
Tumalog waterfalls.
Lizard, dude.
Yeah.
I don't see it.
Wait, hold on.
On the top of this mountain, the rock.
Dude, that thing's nuts looking.
Yeah, look at what it does.
It looks like a velociraptor. Oh, dude, the mud is so thick over here.